Hello everyone, hello ladies and gentlemen, hello beautiful people. This is Daniel Anthony. For those of you who don't know me, or for those of you that have been watching my content and still haven't seen me one-on-one, here I am. And today I want to share some couple of ideas, or I want to share some couple of information with each and every one of you that have always been there for me, that have always been watching my content, consuming my content, commenting, asking me questions based on areas that you are not actually cleared on. And that's why I just want to come up live today and generally talk about everything you need to know about my community in general, or my community as at large. What I do on YouTube is I teach people how to make money online, share tips and strategies that can actually help you make money online, review websites, review softwares, review different platforms that you can actually put together to make money online, and as well help your own personal business. Because most people run businesses and they don't actually know that if they couple it up with the help of online software or online websites, it will make their whole work easier for them. Yes, you can be a business owner and everything you do, you run them with the help of softwares and with the help of online websites. Because there are a lot of ideas on the internet, but so many people do not actually know. Like me, I work on the internet 24/7. At the moment, I don't have any physical business, neither do I have any physical job. But the big question is, for those of us who want to venture into this make money online thing, just like me, like you want to go into it full time, you don't want to do any physical job at the moment, although it's not easy, I won't lie to you. I went through a lot of stress when I actually started, and I am still doing more for you guys, and more are still here to come. I'm still working on a lot of projects, and I have a secret project that I'm working on. I'm planning on it seriously. I'm planning on launching an official website for our community. I'm planning on launching a website for my platform where you guys can equally go to get more ideas. And I won't only launch this website, I will equally teach you guys how to launch a website, how to become a website blogger or a website content creator. So it's a project I'm seriously working on. I'm trying to fix up the resources, the finance that is required, and I'll equally show you how to do it. After launching my own, I'll start creating tutorial videos on how to actually do it, how to launch it, and how to get it monetized, because it's much more easier to monetize a website than it is to monetize a YouTube channel. Yes, although it's difficult to grow a website, but there are tricks and there are tips and there are easier cuts, or there are shortcuts to succeeding as a website content creator. As we all know, blogging equally happens to be a way of making money online, and blogging with a website is the best, because there you actually get access to the Google algorithm, and you get to understand Google algorithm and SEO, how SEO actually works with Google. And SEO is what actually controls the internet primarily. If you do not understand SEO, at least 40% knowledge of SEO, you find it difficult to grow in the online space, or you find it difficult to grow online. So if you are my subscriber, don't worry, more are yet to come. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and don't beat yourself if you do not understand something that I actually tutored, or if, in case I share any topic and you tend not to understand what I explained in that video. All you just have to do, there's always a space in the comment section. You can ask questions, don't be that dumb. You can ask questions, because a tutorial video I cannot explain everything the way I'll explain it to you in real life. Maybe if we are talking on one-on-one, there is a way I'll explain it to you if we are talking one-on-one in real life, compared to the way I will just explain it over a screen with screen recording. So there are a lot of stuff I'm equally working on. Like I did a video not quite long, I think about 2 or 3 months ago, where I made mention of giveaways, that giveaways will be coming. Yes, I'm not lying, giveaways will be coming on our community very soon. Very soon I'll be doing a lot of giveaways. I will not only focus on doing these giveaways on YouTube, I will even take it down to Instagram, I'll take it down to Facebook, I'll equally take it down to Twitter, because I'm very much available on all of those other platforms. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact line is in this video description below. You can get in touch with me on Twitter. I'm available on Facebook. I have my own personal Facebook page. Check me out. Check it out in this video description below. My Instagram handle is equally in this video description below. I'm very much active on LinkedIn. You can equally check me out in this video description below. That's where I have all of my handles, all of my contact links are available down there. Even my email is equally there in case you want to get in touch with me through email. So as I was saying, this making money online thing is not easy. I won't lie to you. I'll be practical and I'll be plain. I'm not that person that will lie to you and tell you that, hey, there is an easy way to make $10,000 online. There is no easy way to make even $1 online. Yes, but rest assured, so many people tell you, hey, I have a course that can actually help you make 50,000 online ASAP. No, it's not possible. There is nothing like that. I've tried it. I've been on this platform for a very long time. I've tried a lot of stuff. Did a lot of stuff. Attempted so many things. I've even spent money on so many stuff that didn't work at the end of the day. Yes, that's money for you. Just the way you invest in your physical business, sometimes it will backfire. You will not make any profit from it. That's how the online space actually works. That's why you need a mentor like us that will walk you through the basic steps, because we have tried out so many of these things and we know the one that works and we know the one that doesn't work. And one of those things that actually work, it happens to be website content creation outside YouTube content creation. YouTube content creation pays very well, but are you ready for the work? On my YouTube channel on several locations I've talked about YouTube content creation, but I haven't talked about it much. I haven't went as deep, as detailed as possible on it, because so many people don't actually believe that YouTube content creation is not easy. They think it's easy. It's not easy. Let me put it straight to you. Creating content on YouTube is not easy because it requires a lot of stuff. It will require you to put a lot of digital skills together. You have to master video editing, graphic design. If you are that person that runs voiceover channel, you have to master the act of running a voiceover. You have to master SEO. So there are a lot of things you actually need to master before you can start creating YouTube content. But I'm equally working on that project, how to make money online with YouTube content creation. I'm working on it. With time, I'll bring it up to you fully in detail. But now, the next secret project we are working on in our community is actually website content creation, blogging with website. Although it's not easy, but there is a strategy that you can actually use to crack the hard nut. I'm working on it seriously. I'm on serious research. I've been contacting a lot of experts on website content creation. They are giving me all of the necessary details and all of the necessary information that is needed to put this thing up for you guys, so that you guys will enjoy it. As you know, I teach for free. I don't charge money. The only thing you do for me to show me appreciation is to kindly hit on the red subscribe button, please, and like the video, share with your loved ones. So I don't want to waste much of your time. I just decided to come up live today to tell you what I have in store at the moment, what I'm currently working on that will benefit the entire community as a whole. Website content creation, blogging with website is paying. I will not only show you how to launch your website, because what you just need if you want to launch a website is your WordPress web hosting, then your domain, which is the website name, your domain name. Then you need to master the act of writing articles. Now, as you all know, AI is fast advancing. AI is making everything easier. ChatGPT, the age of ChatGPT is here. ChatGPT can actually make your website content creation very much easier. Then I'll show you Spirit Writer software that can actually help you rephrase and repurpose even content that are not yours. And I will equally show you how to monetize your website. You can launch a website today and monetize it today and start making money from it today, but so many people do not know. They think you will go to you have to go to the moon and back just to start making money from website. All of these are hidden strategies. All of these are hidden secrets as to making money online, but so many people don't know. There are this small website, they will tell you, like, all this survey website, make money from all of this survey website. When I first ventured into make money online, I kind of focused more on those stuffs, but I later discovered that they don't work. You can even work on all of those websites, and you discover maybe at the end of every month, every 2 months, you won't even make up to $2. Is that what you are looking for in the online space? No. We are looking for a way to make money sustainably, like trying to build a sustainable stream of income that will sustain us over time. And one of the ways you can actually do this is with YouTube content creation, website content creation, affiliate marketing, and so many other stuffs that I will still bring up as time goes on. But now, the next project I'm working on seriously is website content creation. I'll bring it up to you very soon, guys. Just give me some months and you will see the whole magic up and live on our YouTube channel. So guys, this is how I just have to quickly wrap up the video. It's still your boy Daniel Anthony, teaching you how to make money online for free, teaching you how to build a sustainable stream of income for yourself in the online space. Until I meet you again next time in my next Make Money Online Tutorial video, I just have to say I love you all. But for now, bye bye and peace.